Hi, my name is Braden, and today I'm going to show you how to insert a left tab at 1 and a right tab with a dot leader at 6. You can find this in your paragraph dialog box launcher, which is located right here. Once you click on it, there will be all this, and you can find where you need to click on the bottom left, and it says tabs. Once you click on the tabs, you can insert your information. In this case, we need to insert 1 with the left alignment and no leader. And once you're done with that, click set. And we need to do another one. And now we have to do 6 with a right tab and dots. This too is dots. You can tell by this line and stuff right here. Right here, it's like dashes. This is the dots. So click on 2. And once you know that, click OK. And there it should be. And I could show you how it worked, because when I write something, I click tab, there's the dots. And that is how you insert a left tab at 1 and a right tab with dot leader at 6.